The new year is upon us, which it just gives me fond memories of the year that's just passed. Just thinking, oh, that's great. I'm going to rustle up some scran prompt like a pro, and then I'm going to get this meal out to you. It's just coming straight from me to you right now. Lockdown 3. Hopefully it cheers some of you up what I'm doing. I mean, there's about 10 of you who watched the last one. Let's keep it real.
Just looking up some cooking ideas in my favourite cookery book.
Fozz. Fozz? Ah. You're ignoring me, I see. Wasuk. You're hard. Why don't you make this a lovely bit of game? If you don't stop ignoring me, Fozz, I'll accept that other job offer I've received.
Chelsea.
You know, the one on Channel 5 with the nude lad, the new chef, Mr. Oliver, Jamie Oliver. He's a better chef than you, and Channel 5 will look after me through this lockdown.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we all lived through the 70s. The clothes, the music, the heartwarming but rarely amusing Ziggy cartoons. Now, later, who are we to look at these...
Right, new year. Right. Happy.
I'm gonna leave and you're gonna be finished.
Dirty martini. That's filthy. Making lasagne today. That's some aubergine there. You can see the heat in there. Look. Searing my phone. And a bit of garlic here. Red peppers. Pine nuts, already toasted. Ricotta cheese. Chopped tomatoes. Like a hard cheese, vegetarian, none of that meat, rennet, rankness. Some lasagna, spinach lasagna sheets. I'm using some scales that, if you remember, Eddie bought me some scales. Check them out. So scales are quite clever. I've never read the instructions, I just figured it out. 75 grams of this. Yeah, they're good, these scales. Great for food, and if you ever do anything like take up drug dealing, these are perfect. Not seen any of my family for a year now. Sucks. New Year's Eve was a blast. Watching Jules Holland on my own. Yeah, great year, innit? Basil! Yeah, Basil, like Fawlty Towers, yeah. I bought myself some of this. I've no idea what it is. I see girls drinking it at parties, and I just thought, I like girls' drinks, so I'll have some of that. I like men's drinks as well. You know this already. I love drinks. These are good when you're tired and you can't be bothered. When you're too tired to make a coffee, just have one of these.
George, can you say Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Harry Potter.
Sounds like Derek Trotter.
Harry Potter.
This is a new pan that I got for Christmas. New flask. I've already had winter pims. There's the aubergines there. Charcoal. Oh, they're burnt. Fuck off. No, they're not. The recipe tells you to do it like that.
The aubergine and the peppers and stuff there.
cooking on gas.
Looks like a big pile of sick.
Need to cut this to a pulp. Do you remember Britpop? Bag of shite. Need a good slug of balsamic. Love that word, slug. Unless someone's calling me it. Pulp Fiction. Secret Fozz ingredient this. Yeah. You have to find a new henfight to drink your lick. 10 years later, see how enzyme shrink it. Wallet, as you wallow in a sorrow pit. Cheers, is that your beer, kid? You swallow it or get chased by the Sandman on some Apollo. Flow so weird, his own peers couldn't follow it. On the phone, he Next to
uh,
ricotta with the hard cheese. It says season this to taste. Oh, my favourite seasoning here: black stuff, red stuff, white stuff, green stuff. That's not weed.
I really don't need this. Fozz, you need to start running advertisements on your YouTube. You need to capitalize on what you have, or your 29 followers are going to need to put their hands in their pockets. You're supposed to be a content provider, an influencer, but you're making nothing. I've not been paid for months.
This is
I see.
to chuff
You're
now.
ignoring me, I see. Yeah, fuck you.
I got that new pan for Christmas, but you guys can pay for it if you like. I'm going to set up a Patreon account or the PayPal, and then like all my fans can just bang like 50 quid or whatever in my account, can keep making these shows. Seriously though, think about doing that, because I was speaking to KSI and Logan Paul and Ryan about this the other day, and their fans are sending a lot more money to them. Hardly anyone's watching this actually. We've got 29 subscribers, and the last one, I think 10 people have watched it. Don't know why I bother. Tell your friends about it anyway, especially the rich ones.
Ryan or KSI wouldn't stand for this shit. Ryan would still leave the goods in their wrapping paper if he earned 1,000 times more than what you're earning. You loser.
Next, so
maybe you should also take up boxing like some of those bros. You weakling.
I love cork, because if you put these down on your work surfaces, they're not going to get burned when you put hot dishes.
Oh, do. Grow up.
It's a while since I've made lasagna, to be honest with you. Sometimes I'm not that great at cooking.
Don't quit the day job.
One thing I do know
Dick what?
is with lasagna, you've got to make sure you don't mess up and get your layering wrong. You always need something wet and soft on the top of the lasagna sheets, because if you have lasagna sheets on the top, they're all hard and burnt. I made that mistake once, never again. This basil's washed before use, I know, annoying, innit? It's hard to do when you're holding the camera. It's alright for Jamie Oliver, he'd just get his wife or whatever other woman's around to hold the camera for him, but I'm just here on my own, God, what
Jamie Oliver, the nude lad. He's a better chef for the record. By the way, come dine with me and Naked Attraction have been in touch as well. You're gonna be finished. Ryan's been in touch with me too.
I just realised I don't have a drink.
Ryan earned a whopping $29.5 million last year.
Right, that's my bit of orange mixed with cheese.
His YouTube channel Ryan's World has around 41.7 million followers, and he's just a 9-year-old boy.
One part remove. Nice. Orange, that's it, good. Lovely stuff. Cheers. Quick toast to 2020's fallen soldiers, weathers, weather all, and Doom. Hellfest Doom. Rest in peace, bro. Look at that. It's like corrugated green. The herb. Put that on there, innit? Yeah, like a garage roof. That's broken, it's bad, but with this dish, no matter at all. You're looking at this and thinking, bloody hell, that looks shit. I agree. This is what you do. This is what you do. It'll be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. This will be lovely. Yeah. Layering. Sometimes when you're cooking, you ask yourself, what would other chefs do? Like Floyd. That's what he'd do, innit? You put some wine in there. And if you've got the moisture at the top, it'll go down to the lasagne sheets. It totally makes sense. You wouldn't ever ask, what would Jamie Oliver do? We've all heard the rumours. There's absolutely sheets of this stuff, relentless. I bet I put too much of this in, to be honest.
You've jacked some copyrighted items in this show again, you fucking idiot. You can never monetize this.
Annoyingly, I've managed to do the exact thing I warned myself not to do at the start. And I've not left enough ricotta at the end for...
Give me bloody strength, you useless cretin.
I don't know why I started this cookery show, really. Bloody hell. I could probably fix that with wine. So there we go. That'll work beautifully. And don't watch this, I'll judge it. I'll enjoy it. Screw you. It's a bit dry there. So not anymore. The boulevardier is what this is called. Lovely stuff. Yeah, thanks for the recipe.
Delicious reservoir of hot wine.
Mopping the floor. It's not all glamour cooking, is it? Sick of it. The mopping done. The naked chef probably never mops. Not his kitchen anyway. Chef, put your clothes back on. Breaking news. What's going on? New lockdown for England as cases surge. Oh, for fuck's sake. Stay at home. School shut for most pupils from tomorrow. Should have been today. Seriously, no kids at school tomorrow, but they sent them there today. I don't want cooking with Fozz to get political. Where food is right, where food is. Where food is, bruv. Let's keep it chill. Let's keep it real chill. You know what I mean? The chef. I'm done, isn't he, ready? Fuck Boris. Fuck
You're
Boris.
not half the man Boris is. Or Nigel Farage.
We all know that I made a mistake with the top layer of lasagne. I've seen James Martin, Fanny Craddock, Rusty Lee. They've all messed up when they've been making meals. Sometimes Rusty Lee's not drank enough rum. Sometimes she's drank too much. No one cares.
No one cares.
No one cares. No one cares. No one cares.
Mate like Floyd. Doing a reservoir of the lovely stuff.
Believe me, there is not going to be any problem with this meal. It's going to be lovely.
Digging into its innards a bit and redistributing the top a bit. Squishing this bit out there. Be alright. I think I might have actually done too many layers of pasta. It doesn't tell you when to stop, it said 12 sheets. The recipe, what does that mean? How big's a sheet? Could mean anything. But we all know, we remember We all know how to do polenta. It's pretty amateur to do that. But yeah, you don't know when you're layering, it's hard to know, it's hard to get your levels right, you know. This is some crispy bits, you heard that, you can hear that. Nothing wrong with that. Just hear this. Some people say that presentation, Matt, it doesn't. How many times do I have to tell you? It doesn't. Isn't it nice? Everyone knows that what's lurking under here is lovely.
To be honest, I'm half cut, to be honest. Some stiff cocktails, some pre-removes, stiffer than usual. You can hear that beeping, that's checking out. One-handed business. Some lasagne there. Get a swab for that. Clean surface, clean mind. From me to you, Happy New Year. Love. Peace, I'm out of it. I mean, it's not a little bit dry. I just made a couple of portions of this to my next door neighbours. So I'll go give them it. See if they want it. Hello, I've made a couple of portions of lasagne.
Okay.
Yeah. They're vegetarian, yeah, they're like kidney bean, yeah, it should be alright, yeah. Cool.
Possibly the only act of kindness I've seen from you since I started working with you.